Hello everybody, I'm Žofia, your card design consultant at Gravity Sketch. Today I want to talk about a 3D grid. So first, activate it together. On your non-dominant hand, press blue button, and then here in the settings, click on the grid icon. This will enable the grid to appear in VR as tiny little dots set by increment. When I'm using the ink tool, you will see it snapping to the grid, and everything is set by 10 centimeters. The update I want to show you, it's all about accuracy and precision in the Smart Move. So beforehand, in the Smart Move, which is basically moving in X, Y, and Z, when your controllers are aligned and you see I'm moving the line by Z axis, everything is defined by the increments in the grid. So in this case, this is 10 centimeters. But what if you want to move the data more smoothly and more precisely? We will use your left hand, your non-dominant hand, and you will press index finger here, and then you will go to the Smart Move, and you see I am now sliding the data super smoothly, which allows me to be more precise and more confident in the data positioning. So one more time, on your left hand or non-dominant hand, press the index finger, the top trigger, and then activate your Smart Move by aligning your controllers on X, Z, or Y axis. That's all from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!